Hey, it's out of Electric City Harley-Davidson. Our address up here is 1534 Scranton-Carbondale Highway, Scranton, PA. Phone number 570-483-0883. Today, I'm going to be doing a walk around on a brand new 2023 Street Glide Special. Here it is. A walk around on a brand new 2023 Street Glide Special. New color for this year is bright billiard blue and billiard gray. The Street Glide Special comes with a couple standard features. One being the LED headlight. Another nice feature, it does have security. Fob. 114 cubic inch motor. A 6.5 infotainment system. Street Glide Special also has the extended bags. This particular bike does have one option. It has RDRS. If you're not familiar with those safety features, give me a call here or stop up. I'd be happy to explain. You can reach me again at 570-483-0883. And it's Al. Thanks.